Hey y'all, welcome to the channel, Teresa and Rene. How y'all doing today? I am doing fantabulous today. Long time no hear from, long time no see, long time no, Anywho, I am on my way to work today. It's Thursday, yay! And I am glad it's Thursday, child. I'm off tomorrow. I gotta work this weekend, but it is all good. I love having Fridays off. I was off this Monday. And I didn't do jack. I went to the eye doctor. I'm gonna go vote tomorrow. I was gonna go Monday, and I don't know, y'all. I was tired. I really was. I'm gonna go to the gym tonight when I get off. Ouch. And come home, girl, and get ready for tomorrow. Because I need to do a lot of filming tomorrow. That's my plan. I gotta color my edges, which means I need to wash my hair. I'm gonna try to do it tomorrow. I might end up doing it Sunday. I don't know, child. Or this weekend, because I get off at 5 now. We went back 8 to 5 on the weekends, but I got so much I need to do. I need to start prepping my home for Christmas, because I'm about to start decorating. I decorate for fall in August, because y'all, I just be over summer by then, and I do it probably like, I don't know, early August. So, and which I love fall. Fall's my favorite time of the year, but I like to be able to put my stuff up, usually definitely before Thanksgiving. I already have all my Christmas stuff out and put up. So I need to start working on prepping my home for Christmas. Yay! For the holiday season. And yeah, Thanksgiving is Christmas at my house, because girl, I already have my stuff up. They already know. But I have to host again this year. I said I wasn't doing it. I know. And I really don't want to, but everybody's like, you break a tradition. And y'all know I go through this every year. Y'all know how it is. I go through this every year because it's just so stressful hosting. And y'all, my mind, I love my family and everything. We get together all the time. So it's not like I don't, we get together all the time throughout the year, all the time. So I need some water. What the freak? So I dread just the hosting. So I really just wanted, wait a minute, y'all. Something going on with my throat. So I really just wanted to enjoy Thanksgiving, not worry about hosting and going to somebody else's house. I don't have to worry about the cleanup before or the cleanup after, because we have a huge family. We got a really, really big family. And some of my family don't drive, and the household trying to get everybody there. So we have to get everybody there. You have to take everybody home. And girl, I be trying to shop that Thursday night. So it's a lot of stress. Did I bring my umbrella? Yeah. It's a lot of stress, you know what I'm saying? I've been hosting Thanksgiving for the last about 15 years, y'all. And I am just burnt out, really. But I guess I have to again this year. I always say next year I'm not doing it. But like I said, everybody is, you break a tradition. My daughter was like, Mom, I'm not understanding why you break a tradition. And I'm like, because I'm tired, y'all. I just don't want to do it. And like, I take off the whole week of Thanksgiving. I take off the whole week of Christmas. And because I don't take off a lot throughout the year, by the time Thanksgiving and Christmas come, I am burnt completely out. And I really would just like to enjoy my time off, because I be working all year long, and that's the only time I really get to enjoy myself. But you know what I think? I think for this year, I'm not cooking no pies. If I do, it'll be like 2. I'm just not cooking as much as I normally cook. And I think that's going to take the stress off of me. And then as well as whatever, I'm not stressing over what we have. I put the list up in our family, on our family page on Facebook of, what we're having, the menu for people to sign up what to bring. whatever people bring is what we're gonna eat. I'm not stressing, because a lot of times I think I just be stressed, because like when you're hosting something, you gotta make sure you have enough food. You gotta make sure, which I know we're gonna have enough food, y'all. We have enough food, honestly, to feed about 3 or 4 families, to be honest. So I'm just going to lessen my stress, what I can control, and a lot of that cooking a whole bunch of stuff. Now I'm gonna cook my collard, y'all. I got to cook my collard. That's just what I do. But what did I say I was gonna bring? Broccoli casserole, corn on the cob. I know I'm gonna do my collards, and I have to do a turkey for my house, because me and my husband, we be killing some turkey, especially me. I love turkey. I can eat turkey. I be eating turkey. I freeze my turkey, girl. Whatever's not left, I put it in the freezer. I be breaking out turkey. My cousin be like, ain't you tired of eating turkey by now? No, I'm not. I love turkey, but I'm gonna lessen my stress by lessening what I cook, because it's traditional for me to cook a whole lot of food, because that's just what I do. But that's a big old shit. That's a log just about laying in the middle of the road. Somebody hit that, they're gonna turn their car up. So I'm just gonna lessen my stress. I'm not cooking that much. Whatever they bring is what we gonna eat. I'm not stressing myself about it. So with that plan in place, I think I'll be okay. Y'all bought these Gucci shades. What were these shades? 5 something back in the summer. And I wear my Coach shades way more than I wear these Gucci shades. And I think because of the way they sit, I don't know. Plus, I like my Coach shades better. I don't know, child. That's why price don't always mean nothing, girl. I don't know. So what y'all want for Christmas? My husband asked me the other day what I wanted for Christmas. Girl, I don't know. I was sitting there thinking like, honey, I have no idea, because I just really don't know. But I was doing my makeup this morning. I said, I know exactly what I want for Christmas. I want to get the microblading. I gotta get my brows done. Look at this truck right here coming off like he crazy. I have got to get my brows done, because that's what take me so long to get dressed, is doing my brows. And I am over my brows, like really. So I know this girl named Flower. She will do them. I forgot her price, but I think y'all, that's really what I'm going to do for for Christmas. And I, because my kids and my husband give me I get a lot of money for Christmas, so that would be the best time to really do it. So, which really I could do it anytime, but I think that's what I'm gonna do, is just get my brows done, because I'm over my brows. I'm so sick of my brows, I don't know what to do. I'm tired of just having to work on them. It's a job. Like, shit, I might spend 15 minutes on my brows, which is ridiculous. And then they still don't be, all of that. So I think I might actually do that. But for Christmas, I think that's what I want. I'm so ready to be out tomorrow, y'all. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I got a lot of plans that I want to do for tomorrow. I better take my tail to sleep. That's what I better do, because the problem is when I'm off, I stay up so long. I might stay up to 4 o'clock in the morning, y'all. Then I have to go to sleep. I wake up probably about 10. But if I wake up at 10 o'clock, my day is gone. I need to wake up at like 7 or 8 o'clock for me to feel like, okay, I had a full day off and it was productive. Monday, y'all, I was off Monday. Time went by so fast. I was like, oh my God, what in the world? When I was at the I was washing dishes, I think. I looked at the microwave and it said 12 o'clock, and I was like, what the freak? What happened? What happened to my day? I could not believe my day went by just that fast. But I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. My plan is wake up about 7:30, because I got a lot of stuff I need to get done tomorrow. I need to place my order for Sephora. Yeah, I did. I placed the order for Ulta last night. I spent like $240. But what I do is really buy my skincare for the year. That's what I'm actually doing. And next year I'm not buying no skincare. So, and I don't really know I said I don't really know if I'm going to participate in Black Friday for hair care products. I don't know, because for one, I really, y'all, I'm so close to like cutting my hair because I miss my kinks. I just, the good part though is that my hair is not breaking, it's not splitting. It's just my curl pattern is just not there. You know what I'm saying? It's not as bad in some areas, like this area here. This side of my head is not as bad, but I told y'all before, honestly, the left side of my head in the middle was the loosest. My texture was really loose in those areas. So, of course, those areas I think suffered the most heat damage. And I had to wrap, you know, like once I twist, I have to wrap it around, girl. And don't let it come undone. Like this piece right here is not cooperating, child, for some reason. But I wrap it around and I don't know. I really feel like getting a haircut because I'm just used to my kinks, but I would have to cut my hair so low. I'm really trying to just let it grow out. But child, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, I got a giveaway going on. Y'all got to find the video that's got a giveaway. And I'm gonna do some hidden giveaways here or there, because I do have some stuff I want to give away. But anywho, let me call my husband. I just want to check in with y'all. I will be doing some videos tomorrow. I want to go live, y'all, but I am kind of shy, like seriously. And I don't know, I do want to go live because I want to interact with y'all like live. But y'all believe it or not, would y'all believe it? Do y'all believe I'm shy? Like really, I am somewhat shy. So that's one reason why I have never done a live. I want to do a live, but because of my shyness, I'm kind of skeptical about doing a live. I am going to do some, I got so many videos planned that I want to do that I really need to get out before Black Friday, because I want to do a buy this, you know, what my recommending like products for y'all to buy for like Christmas for yourself or for others and stuff like that, because I got a long list of stuff, y'all. Anywho, let me get on down this highway and I will holler back at y'all in the next video. But yeah, that's all. Bye, y'all.